Right, this is what it should do. Nintendo, no artifacts on that screen there, or that screen, and into the game. Brilliant. So I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Right, let's see what the fault is. Good Nintendo, and off. Now sometimes it actually gets a bit further than that before going off, but it's not working, so let's fix it. Right, let's get it open. Actually, we'll try a bit of alcohol first. I think the problem is going to be a loose pin, but we'll do the easy ones first. Interesting. Right, what we're going to find. Not a lot. It all looks quite good. There's a bit of dirt on that contact there, but they look okay. I hope it's not just going to be dirty contacts like the last one. I'm going to check those legs on that chip. So I like using a dental pick for this, and it's normally at the top up here. And those two are good. Try this side. Oh, and they look quite good as well. Very strange. These don't normally come loose because the chip's so small. I think I'm going to clean this up and try it again. That looks like a bit of damage. Right, let's try that. What do you think? No. Strange how all of the wires go straight through to the back of the card. I can't see any damage at all. It all looks great. Now, despite me saying these chips don't normally come loose, I will test them. Seems okay. I wonder if there's a problem with the chip. In the past, I've made a note of all the contacts here and traced them to all the legs of the chips. But I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to reflow this chip. And then if that doesn't work, I'm going to take the chip off and have a look behind it. Because if you look at the front of that chip, there's quite a lot of wires behind it, which could be damaged underneath. But that's what I'll do. I'll reflow that and then we'll test it. And then if that doesn't work, I'll take it off and I'll have a look underneath. I know you're all waiting for my GPU video. I am working on it. I've totally took it apart. I've did a bit of diagnostics on it to the best of my ability. I've had a couple of questions asked on Reddit and Discord. And I'm just waiting for a new chip to come from China. But it's looking quite good. But you'll have to wait. So the dry soldering iron, we'll just reflow them. We'll put that back together. Put it back together. It's not too difficult, is it? Right. I think that's it. So, despite the fact that I couldn't find anything wrong with the legs, I couldn't find any loose legs, it did just need a resolder. Nice little bit of drag soldering, and it's fixed it. Brilliant. I'm well pleased. Does it start? Single player. New game. Ship. Press start. There we go. Yeah, brilliant. Nice little classic game. Worth £4.55. So if you like that, give us a thumbs up. If you're waiting for my GPU video, you'll have to click subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.